Once upon a time, in a quiet alley, a poor little kitten roamed the streets, hungry, cold, and alone. She asked her friend for help. That day, she promised herself she'd never beg again. She got her first job cleaning tables at a cat cafe. Then she worked at a dot construction site, lifting bricks, twice her size. At night, she studied business books under streetlights. One day, she opened her own cafe, the biggest in town. The once hungry kitten became one of the richest cats in the city. And then, Dot, her old friend, returned, Dot shocked to see her success. She smiled and said, "Don't laugh at someone's struggle. One day they might inspire the world."